Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. The topic for today's grammar lesson is conjunctions. Today I'll tell you how to use conjunctions and but in sentences. Let's read the learning objectives with me. Can I identify conjunctions in sentences? Can I use and or but correctly in sentences? So, a conjunction is a word that joins words or two parts of a sentence. So, conjunctions only join, they do no other work. So, you have to keep this thing in your mind. In short, a conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. So, today I'll tell you the usage of the conjunction and but. So and but are connecting words or conjunctions. They connect two sentences together. To join together or show contrast, we use and but. So we use and to join two sentences together, and we also use but to join two sentences in which there is a contrast. So in other words, we use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. So whenever there are similar ideas in two sentences, we will use and to add more information. For example, this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. So more information is added in this sentence by using and. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. So but is used for the opposite idea. For example, Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. So plays well and impatient player are opposite ideas. So we have used but here. Now let's have a look at these two sentences. It is a sunny day, it is hot. The sky is cloudy, it is not raining. So in the first one, there are similar ideas. Let's read it again. It is a sunny day, it is hot. So sunny and hot are similar. So we will use and in this sentence to join these two sentences together because they are similar ideas. Let's have a look at this. It is a sunny day and it is hot. So sunny and hot are similar. Now look at this sentence. The sky is cloudy and the other sentence, it is not raining. So what we are going to use in this? Yes, we will use but in it as cloudy and not raining are totally opposite to each other. So whenever there is a contrast, we will use the conjunction but to join the two sentences in which there is a contrast or opposite. So let's have a look. Cloudy and not raining are opposite ideas. Let's have a look at this example. I'll walk the dog and feed the bird. So the boy is going to do two things. He'll walk the dog and he'll feed the bird. But shows differences. You were invited, but you can't go. So there is a difference that the boy was invited, but he can't go there. So that's why but is used. Dan likes to sing and Dan likes to dance. Dan likes to sing and dance. So there are two things which Dan likes to do. So we have to use and in this. Let's have a look at another example. The bird can fly. The bird can fly. The bird can hop. So the bird can do two things. So you are going to use and in it. The bird can fly. The bird can hop. So and is used in this. So you can see the usage of and here. The bird can fly and hop. Now have a look at the usage of but. He hit the ball. He hit the ball. He dropped the bat. So we will use but in this. He hit the ball but dropped the bat. The dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. I want to go to play, but I'm sick. So this boy wants to go to play, but he can't go because he is sick. So there are two opposite ideas in this sentence. Homework questions. Use the conjunction and or but in the given sentences. So you have to use either and or but in these sentences. Number 1, my dad dash I are going fishing this afternoon. Number 2, I ran after the cat dash could not catch it. Number 3, I put on my shoes dash I went out to play. Number 4, I will finish my homework dash then I can play video games. Number 5, the dog is small dash he can run fast. Number 6, this is good dash it could be better. Number 7, the cat yawned dash it never fell asleep. Number 8 and the last one, I put on my gloves dash dad put on his boots. So don't forget to do your homework. I'll wait for it. Goodbye and have a nice day.